welcome to Lessons in the King, your daily show to make your day in life just a little better. You can forget every lesson you've learned till this part, but lesson 1199 you should never forget. Always have ice cream in the fridge. I don't care what it is, you can have like a iced lolly, you can have vanilla, you can have raspberry. Just have something sweet in your fridge at every time. Bro, 1199. What ice cream flavor do I like? Lesson 1199. Always have ice cream in the fridge. I'll see you tomorrow.